Hello, and thank you for watching PetPeePee video. Before I will show you how I clean Oriental rug, I would like you please look at the link below of 3 carpet cleaner, 3 Oriental rug cleaner. Take a look how they clean the Oriental rug, and then come back again and watch my video. Please do that. The video will show you how Oriental rug should be cleaned the right way. And I do it not to offend anybody. It's to make you, the customers, happy with the result. Antique Oriental rug, most likely made with a vegetable dye. When you use a scrubber, centrifuge machine, squeezy, soap, you cannot reverse the damage then those machine and those chemicals will do to the rug. Most likely the color will run and the urine odor will still remain deep inside the Oriental rug. To clean the Oriental rug from dog or cat's urine odor, you should clean it through the rug with a cleaning product then it is odor-free, because if my cleaning product contained vanilla deodorizer, when I finish the cleaning process, it will blend with the urine odor and it will become as a pee-pee vanilla smell. I'm sure this is not what you are looking for. Please come with me to the warehouse and listen how the XpetPee machine clean the Oriental rug naturally, organically, without touching the rug in the wet cleaning process.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
How to fold 9x12 Oriental rug the right way. Flip the rug. Very, very important. So the face of the rug, the beautiful part, will face the floor. It is very important to fold the Oriental rug after you flip it over. So like this one, you don't have a stress on the foundation of the rug. Don't forget to put your information inside the package. And I will email you the UPS label. Even I will schedule UPS to come to your door and pick up the package. Don't forget to put your information inside and put 2 labels. I'm going to email you a label, and you can print it twice and put it on the 2 sides of the package. Like this one, for sure, no one of them will get lost. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal. Text me the size of the package, and of course, I would love to email you the UPS label. Stay tuned and see some of my wildlife photographer, my artwork, and you're welcome to visit mayormartin.com.